Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by optimizing your LinkedIn profile for virtual assistant roles. Add the phrase virtual assistant to your headline and summary for discoverability. Use a professional headshot and a concise banner related to productivity and remote work. List 3 to 5 core skills and ask for 3 endorsements from past clients or colleagues. Write a short summary including your target industries and services. Set a realistic rate range, like 5 to 0 per hour in your summary and experience sections. Use LinkedIn job filters and saved searches to surface relevant listings consistently. Save searches and set alerts for virtual assistant, remote, and part-time roles. Review each description and customize your application to match required skills and tools. Apply to 3 to 5 relevant jobs daily with customized messages highlighting experience and results. When messaging recruiters or managers, send a 50 to 75-word outreach note that explains value and availability. Follow up once after 3 to 5 business days if you do not hear back. Grow visibility by consistently sharing helpful content about administrative systems and workflows. Post helpful content twice weekly demonstrating VA skills and workflows, tools, and case examples. Join niche LinkedIn groups for entrepreneurs and small business owners and contribute useful comments. Request 2 to 3 client testimonials and add them to your profile and featured section. Message hiring managers with a concise portfolio link and a brief pitch about outcomes you deliver. Maintain
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.